What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Mountain Creek Vlog 17. Today we're going up, teaching Cole how to snowboard again.
I thought it was 16.
Nah, 17.
Wow.
16's being edited currently. Cole's gonna relearn how to snowboard. He'll probably pick it up again really quick. Just some nice cruiser laps today, so it'll be a good time. If you notice, got a haircut, trimmed the beard. Yeah, that's it.
Don't forget to subscribe to Welcome to the Journey.
Oh yeah, his channel will be linked down below. Welcome to the Journey. Posts more vlog content than I do, so check it out. Oh,
follow Snowskateshred on Instagram.
I was just gonna say that.
Oh
yeah, I keep forgetting to promote it in the videos, but I started a Instagram. I'm gonna be posting like any snowboarding related stuff, like, well, currently snowboarding. In the spring I'll do skateboarding, surfing, whatever. But yeah, if you want to check that out on Instagram, Snowskateshred. It's got a few posts on there, but I want to do stuff where, like, you tag me in a post, I'll re-upload it on my channel, just to have like a small community. We're heading up the creek right now, so catch you up there. What's up, guys? So we're up here on the lift. Cole's taken a couple runs already. He's been killing it. So we're taking one last run on the bunny slope, and if he does well, we're headed up onto the mountain. I'm about to take a run. I've been riding mostly switch today, just to switch it up because we're on the bunny slope, so yeah. Content, baby. You're good. There you go, there you go. Hey, there you go. Time, man. Oh. Aw, avoiding children, how nice. Oh. Woo. Nice. Oh, less nice. Oh, that was cool though. Oh, I look sick. Woo. You're good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh. You good? All right. Oh, all right. Alright, we just got back in the car. Cole picked it up today. He was killing it on the slopes, fell a bunch, you know, it's always in good spirits. Yeah, short video, but a fun one. Just out here documenting Mountain Creek, you know. It's the end of Mountain Creek Vlog 17.
Welcome to the Journey. In the link below, you know, subscribe.
Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, or if you just want to hit the like button. I mean, you don't need to just like. Be sure to leave a comment, something interesting. And subscribe if you're new here. So yeah.
Do my outro. Oh, I can't English. Anyway, we just got finished on the slopes. You know, I feel like I did a lot better this time. I'm gonna try how I'm kind of picking it up and I'm getting better. Definitely.
Thanks for watching.